What up? Got a box of Prestige basketball. You don't see me bust much basketball stuff, but I love basketball, so let's go. I really like the Prestige this year. Got a Gerald Henderson draft picks, number to 999, and a Tyler Hansbrough rookie. I'm gonna check and see if these are short prints, which I think is overrated. Everybody will open a box of Prestige, and the first thing they'll say is it short print? Fly to Glide, Dennis Rodman. Here's a Tim Duncan with a beat the shit corner, number to 500. And a rookie, oh, sick. Stephen Curry. I love Stephen Curry. Stephen Curry and Jody Meeks and make me a happy man. Okay. I'm a very happy man, I would be. This might be a long video. Luis Scola, Stat Stars, and an Earl Clark rookie. If I'm not mistaken, he is pretty good. There we go. Oh crap, that sucks. Our first rookie autograph is AJ Price of the Pacers. Says bonus shots, numbered, oh sick, 1 of 1. eBay 1 of 1, 69 of 100, or if you flip it over, oh my god, it's 69 of 100. And a Blake Griffin rookie. Somebody let me, actually I'll look at it myself, I'm not gonna rely on you guys. Another autograph. Oh, I think he's good. James Harden from the Thunder. I think he played for Arizona State. Yep. Number to 100. So I guess that eliminates the odds of me getting a Stephen Curry or a Jody Meeks. John Brockman rookie. So if I do, it'll be a jersey. You know how I feel about ripping packs. Danny Green, rookie. Paul Silas. I think that's the guy from the 30-30 special things. Got a black jersey card of Jordan Hill. Numbered 7 of 25. So we have one more hit coming, and a Hashim to beat rookie, sick. Insert of DeJuan Summers, and a rookie of Drew Holiday. Nate Robinson insert, and a Tony Douglas rookie. Sean Marion for Travis. Rookie of Derek Brown, numbered to 999. rookie of DeJuan Blair. Oh, let's see what I'm doing. 509. Holy crap! I've gotta hurry. Guys are gonna kill me. Oh wait, nobody watching my videos. I forgot. Garon Sutton rookie. While I was showing you these, Don Slick wants. Insert of Baron Davis and a rookie